Hello everyone. You're probably wondering how you can go and enter into a clan in territorial.io, and to play as part of a clan you just add at the beginning the tag clan, and that is it. This is how you join a clan. This is how you join a clan inside the game. I just copied this one, and this is how you not officially join a clan. They usually have, at least the more structured clan, a page maybe on Reddit, on Twitter, on YouTube, or on Discord. They have some form of gathering themselves and to communicate, and therefore they will be able to play maybe better. But a huge amount of players are just maybe friends that join a clan like this, or they just add one randomly. So don't feel too bad if you use someone else's one. Also, there is sort of psychological type of play, because if you add the name of a tag clan that maybe are the best team, some other players are going to feel a bit uneasy playing against someone that maybe has a tag clan of a really good team. So that is it. That is how you join a clan in territorial.io. Thank you.